Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Smith, your art teacher. Today we're going to learn about the artist Vasily Kandinsky, and he is well known for his abstract art. Vasily Kandinsky, he was born in Moscow, Russia in 1866. He died in Paris, France in 1944. As a child, he loved music, nature, and colors. He went to law school but quit because he wanted to be an artist. And it's a good thing he did because his art is in museums all over the world. People all over the world love to look at Mr. Kandinsky's paintings. Kandinsky was an abstract painter. Abstract means that the art does not look real or has any recognizable objects. These are circle shapes. These are colors and lines. It's not a bowl of fruit. You can't name what this is. It's not a bowl of fruit or a basket of flowers. This painting here, sometimes I think I'm looking at a cloud. When you look at the sky, you look at clouds and think, I think I see a dog. I think I see a balloon or an ice cream cone when you're looking in the sky at cloud formations. Looking at abstract art sometimes feels like looking at clouds. Your mind wants to make sense of what it's looking at. And you can look at this painting and think, that might be, and in your mind will fill in what you think these objects, no, not objects, shapes might be. One student said they thought this was a pie. I thought it's a sun. Some students say this is a horse. Some people think it's a mountain. I think this looks like a white high-heel shoe. One student said that looks like a carrot. So who knows? Who knows? It's abstract. He wasn't always an abstract painter. When he was younger, Mr. Kandinsky he made more realistic pictures, like this one. You can name this object. It's a person riding a horse, a tree, a cloud, a building, a field of grass. So that, as you know, this is not an abstract painting. When he became older, his art became more sharp and crisp, but it was still abstract with those lovely shapes, colors, lines, even textures, and all the values, the elements of art are involved here in these paintings that we love so much. Some people might not like Kandinsky's paintings as much as others, and it's okay if you don't like abstract art. You don't have to like everything. He always painted to music. He said he could see the color of music. And I always wonder what he was listening to when he painted these fantastic black thick lines, or these short lines, or these curvy lines, or these crisscrossing lines. What kind of music? He said he could see the color of music. We're going to learn about the color wheel today, boys and girls. If you're a kindergartner or a first grader, you're learning about the primary colors. Boys and girls in 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade, you already know the primary and secondary colors. This is a review for you guys. Yellow, red, and blue are the primary colors. You cannot make red, yellow, and blue. You can't make blue. You can't take green and purple and mix it up and make blue. You can't take pink and green and make yellow. You just can't. These colors are what they are. You cannot make red, yellow, or blue. That's why they're the primary colors. To make a secondary color, you add a primary plus a primary, and it equals a secondary. So the color wheel helps you learn what colors make other colors. So you just look at the two primaries, imagine mixing them together, and then you will see what secondary color is created. And here, 5th and 4th graders, is the tertiary colors, the third colors, when you mix a primary and a secondary color together, and you get a tertiary. Red, orange, yellow, orange. So that is the color wheel. So now let's talk about what we're going to do today. We're going to paint today. Now, if you do not have paint at home, you can do this lesson easily with crayons, markers, or colored pencils, but you do need yellow, red, and blue, the primary colors, and you need orange, purple, and green. If you're painting, you're going to create orange, purple, and green. So I'm going to show you a video, and you're going to watch me create this painting here. After you make the painting, you let it dry. You'll get a crayon, and a black crayon or a black marker or a black pen, and you just trace that line you drew with the black, all your lines, and then inside each shape you're going to add more lines. And then you will end up with a lovely abstract painting. How fancy are you? So now I'm going to switch my screen and I'm going to show you, show you how to make the picture, okay? So let's hope this works. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your pencil and you're going to draw 4 lines on your paper. One going from the top all the way to the bottom. The second one from the top all the way to the bottom. And the third top side to side. And the fourth line side to side. You can use all zigzag lines, you can use all curvy lines, or you can use all straight lines. Be creative. So now I'm going to click play, and let's watch me paint this picture. Okay, let's go. There we go. Now, as you can see, I'm painting the primary colors first. So what you're going to do at home, pause the video and gather your supplies and draw your lines, and start by coloring one section yellow. And then we're going to do red and then blue. Those are the primary colors. Now you're going to watch me mixing and making my secondaries. I have 2 yellows here, one for green and one for orange. So just watch and see. Take a little bit of red, put it in yellow, mix it up. Take a little blue, put it in green, put it in yellow and mix it up, make green. And then blue and red makes purple. Now, if you use a lot of red, it's going to be a red raspberry-ish purple. You use a lot of blue, it'll be more of a blueberry purple. In this section, I'm going to add more blue to my green, make it more of a grass green color. So you can play with your colors and have a good time. And the last thing I'm going to paint, I'm going to mix all the colors together and make a brown. And you can rewind the video and watch it again if you need extra help. Oops. So there we go. Boys and girls, I hope you enjoy this lesson today. Excuse me. Please post your artwork to Seesaw. If you're having problems with Seesaw or any problem at all, please email me or contact me through Class Dojo or contact me through Class Teams, excuse me, or contact me on Seesaw. I better stop this video since I'm coughing. So I look forward to seeing your artwork. Please contact me if you're having any problems. Have a great day, and I will talk to you guys soon.